In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset preferences in Premiere Rush. This can be a handy trick to know if you're experiencing issues or simply want to start fresh with the default settings. First things first, you'll need to make sure that Premiere Rush is completely closed. It's important to ensure that no background processes of the application are running. To do this, you can right-click on the application icon in your dock or taskbar, depending on your operating system, and select Quit or Close. Alternatively, you can navigate to the application menu and select Exit from there. This step is crucial because any processes still running in the background might prevent the reset from being successful. Double-checking that the application is no longer visible in your active applications list will help you avoid any hiccups along the way. Once you're sure that Premiere Rush is fully closed, it's time to restart the app, but with a slight twist. You need to relaunch it while holding down a specific key on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, this means holding down the Option or Alt key. For Windows users, it'll be the Alt key. These modifier keys are like secret signals to the application, letting it know that you intend to perform a reset of preferences. As you initiate the program, keep the key pressed from the moment you click to open the app until you see the next step. Now, when Premiere Rush starts to launch, you'll be greeted with a special prompt. This prompt is essentially a confirmation message asking if you want to reset your preferences. It's a fail-safe mechanism to ensure that the reset process isn't initiated accidentally. Here, you will simply need to click Yes. This action will clear out any custom preferences you've set, returning the application to its default state. By doing this, you're essentially starting with a clean slate in Premiere Rush. All personalized settings, such as interface customizations, will revert back to the way they were when you first installed the application. It's a bit like giving your software a refreshing restart, which can often resolve any persistent glitches or weird behaviors the application is exhibiting. And there you have it. It's really as simple as that. You've now reset your preferences in Premiere Rush, and the software should hopefully run smoother. This method is a quick fix for many common issues with settings, allowing you to get back to editing without too much hassle. Remember, though, that any customizations you had will need to be reapplied, so keep in mind what settings are most important to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the most out of your editing experience.